Welcome to Stunning Suganesh. There are 7 continents in our world. Today we'll discuss about the continent Asia. Earth's largest continent is Asia. It is situated primarily in the northeastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Asian continent. Asian countries covers about 1/3 of the total Earth's land area. There are 49 countries in Asia. Russia is the largest country in Asia, also the largest country in the world. Even 40% of the Russian country belongs to the European continent. China, India is the next largest country in Asia, also the most populated country in the world. Maldives, the Indian Ocean country, is one of the smallest country in the Asia. It consists of more than 1,190 islands. Asia is also the most populated continent in the world. China and India is the most populated country in the world. Asia is surrounded by oceans on its 3 sides: Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, Arctic Ocean in north. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in Asia and the highest mountain in the world. It is located on the border between Nepal and Tibet, China. The Karakoram Mountain. The Karakoram is a mountain range spanning the border of China, India and Pakistan. It is the second highest mountain in the world. The Yangtze River in China is the longest river in Asia. It is also the third longest river in the world. The other longest river in Asia. The Yellow River in China. The Mekong River. The Mekong begins on the Tibetan Plateau and runs through China, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. Eurasia. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called the Eurasia. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains. Stay tuned with me. Like, share, comment. Subscribe to Stunning Suganesh. You'll never miss any new video from my channel.